Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share a haul with you guys. It's gonna be a polka doodles haul. Their sale was so good for the prices of their stamps and dies and things like that. Yeah, I went and placed another order before the sale finished, so I got some more stamps, and yeah, I'm going to share those with you guys. I just thought it'd be quite nice. You might see something that you like and go and check out their website. So I'm going to share. I shared in my last video that I wanted some more like images of like girls stamps, so I did get quite a few of those. So I'm going to show you these ones first. Actually, these two. These I didn't order. So I think these were, well no, tell a lie, I did order this last time. I placed an order, this one, but I didn't reorder it. So they must have sent this as a freebie. So it's, what one's it? Oh, Hello Sunshine, it's called, and you get quite a lot. And like I said, the prices, I think this one was only £1 for this set, and like I said, you get quite a lot of images on there and sentiments as well. So it's kind of them to send me another freebie as well as this. I didn't order this either, so this must be a freebie as well. This is really cute. Hello Beautiful. This is Darling Buds. They did have quite a few images of girls, like different flowers and things. Yeah, it's a cute image. And then it comes with some sentiments, and it comes with that heart as well. Yeah, it does, that heart. So that's kind of cool. So now these are the ones, the images of the girls I did order. So I ordered this one. I thought it was really cute, like a cup of tea. I love the flower in her hair, and it says terrific. But then go on nice on a card. I think that is a rubber stamp, and then these I think are all clear stamps. So I got this one. Some of these are repeats. I bought double. Again, I may do in a giveaway, or I may send out in Happy Mail things. So this one's Winnie ice cream treats. That's what it looks like. And you've got this one, celebration. It's got like a champagne bottle. They're quite nice size as well. You got this one is Let's Celebrate. I just love the hair on these images. That's that one. This one I thought was quite nice and different to what I have. It's called Stepping Stones. I like the hat. Yeah, it's cute. And then these are slightly different. These I think are from the Ruby collection. So you got this one, the slightly taller stamps. This one, I think I did order this one last time. And then this one, it says Prom. That's those. Then I think is this, oh, I got two Christmas ones. So I got this one, says Glad Tidings Wreath. Celebrate the season. So you got this wreath, the bells, and I guess you could add these bits to it. And that's what it looks like. And then this one, Jingle All the Way. You got the sleigh, Santa. I thought it was really cute images, and again they're quite a nice size. I thought Santa was really cute and great to go on little cards, even on his own. Yeah, so that's those ones. And then pick up these monster themed, I think this was, oh, this is Christmas card, Christmas stamp as well. Again, I think I did order this previously in my haul before. It's Winter Kingdom, and that's what it looks like. So these are the monster ones. So you've got this one, don't know if it says a name on this one. So I thought that's really cute for cards. Then I got the sentiments that match that. And then these little monsters. I like the little spider. And then you've got little glasses you could put on them. Potion bottles. Yeah, but that was quite different. That's my favourite. So yeah, so I got those, and then the last few bits are like animals. So I've got this cute cat one, Jasper with the balloon on presents. I ordered this previously, and the bone in my the other one was missing, so I contacted them and they just said keep that one, and then they sent me a brand new one. So yeah, that was why I've got another one of those. And then I saw this cat one which I thought was really cute. So you've got that cat laying down, and then you've got this one, and again you've got a few sentiments that go with it. So I thought that was really cool. I really like that one. And then the last one I got was this set. They did have another set, but when I went to check out, like with frogs on it, it was out of stock. So I got this one anyway. So it's got this cute little frog, dragonflies, butterflies, bee, some flowers, and then some sentiments. And again, I thought that was really cute. And like I said, they were all really cheap on there. I think the most I paid was like £2 something for one of them. Yeah, so please go and check out Polka Doodles. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure if the sale is still on. I haven't checked it this week, so I don't know. But yeah, the stamps are amazing on there. As always guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.